Welcome to Fuzzy App. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your YouTube channel step by step permanently. Let's dive right in. First, open YouTube and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, make sure you've selected the correct channel by switching to the desired one. Double check to ensure you're working with the right channel, as this process cannot be undone. Next, click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. Once inside YouTube Studio, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, select Channel, and then navigate to the Advanced Settings tab at the top. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Remove YouTube Content. Click on it. You'll now be prompted to re-enter your email password to verify that you are authorized to perform this action. Enter your password and click Next. On the next screen, select the option, I want to permanently delete my content. You'll see checkboxes that confirm your understanding that all videos, comments, and related data will be deleted. Tick these boxes to proceed. Finally, click on the Delete My Content button. You'll be asked to type in the name of your YouTube channel as a final confirmation. Once you've done that, click on Delete My Content. And that's it. Your YouTube channel has been successfully deleted. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.